this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the KB5050094 update not being available on Windows 11. First, copy the link provided in the description of this video. Paste the link on your browser and then press Enter. Then, copy the name of the update and paste it into the search bar. Press Search and look for the x64 update. Click Download. Locate the update KB5050094 and click on it to download it. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Once downloaded, double-click the update file to install it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.